guys, I haven't done a video in a while since we had the water damage, and now the renovation is done, but we had tons of boxes filled with stuff, and the movers came and they brought all our furniture back in and so on. So I took the opportunity and sorted out everything, giveaways, selling, keeping. Anyway, so that took a while, and since I'm the only one who can carry boxes and bend over and all this stuff, I took my time, and so now I'm here. You can see my shadow here because here's the sun. It's about 7 o'clock. I'm up since 5, and I walked through my garden, and I thought I'll show you those beautiful flowers. Maybe you know what it is. I had carrots in here, the whole area. See? Here. Yeah, still some carrots. Here's another one. That's not bad. Look at it. That's not bad. Anyway, so, and we have our last frost day on the 5th of April, around 5th of April. And so I planted some carrots, the whole area here, the whole bed. That's 8 feet long. And then, since we didn't have any spring weather, we moved from winter directly into summer with 80 degrees heat and then more. Those started flowering. See? They just shot up at least 3 feet high. Those are even higher. So those are carrots. And the bees are coming. Bumblebees especially, they like it. Every day they're coming, and so I will have lots of carrot seeds. And in between I have those tomato plants which halfway fell over in this container. And here's another one. They are doing pretty well. A huge tomato plant. So I just let it go. It was just, at times it was just too hot. Even in the mornings it was 80 degrees, and then it was humid. And so I just made sure that the tomatoes wouldn't fall over. And I let the carrots grow. I will have thousands of seeds. Look at this. Every little flower will become, look at this, will become one tiny carrot seed. I should look up what I sowed here, which kind of carrots. I don't even know how long it takes for the carrot seeds to develop. See, those are newly developed flowers. See, they are lightly green. And this is the next stage where they flower with tiny flowers. Maybe I can zoom in. It starts. See those tiny flowers? Tiny, tiny. So this is the next stage, and then cherry tomatoes. They did nicely, but now it's basically over. They didn't survive the heat, even though I have the shade cloths here. So, but here, those. Nice. Isn't that a gorgeous color? They are called sun gold. I'm sweating and the mosquitoes are flying, so I'm wearing a blouse with long arms. Otherwise I'm just getting bitten. Here are my cucumbers. They are doing well, but I had to use the shade cloth. And the sun is coming from over there, and high in the sky. But it moves from here, up here, and then they get scorched. So they are doing really well. Have lots of flowers. And they are called straight 8. Don't ask me why they are called 8, but they are straight. And they taste really good. They grow pretty fast. See, here's another one. That's a nice one. And lots of flowers. See here, lots of flowers. And maybe you can hear the bee. There's a bumblebee. Here it is. Bumblebee going from one flower to the other. There's another one. See, I have this trellis here, which makes it really easy to grow the cucumbers. Sometimes they decide to grow in this direction, and then I just push them under one of those strings, like this one. I just did this a while back, and then they grab on like here. Isn't that nice? And this is really strong. They just hold on. Here's a baby cucumber. There's another one. So I will go inside and eat breakfast, and then in a little while I come back out. I'm soaking wet already I'm out here since 6, and the humidity is just terrible today. So that's my carrot here. Those are cucumbers. They are purpless cucumbers. See here, and I just mulched it. I planted them the day before we got the torrential rain, which was badly needed. Since the food prices are so high, I think we need to grow our own food. So take care.